everyone, welcome to Super Duper Kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to make cookies with health mix. So I have used homemade sprouted health mix to make these cookies. They are so rich in proteins and nutrients, and if your kids doesn't eat porridge, you can make it in this way. It is so simple to make, and you can also make laddus with this health mix. Now let's get into the recipe to see how to make these cookies. So take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Here I have used unsalted butter. So keep the butter in room temperature for at least half an hour and then use it. Into this I am going to add 3/4 cup of cane sugar. You can also use normal sugar. You can just powder it and use it. But this is more healthy, so I have opted for this. Sift it well so that it will mix evenly. There will be no lumps. And beat this butter and cane sugar until it is creamy or it is wet. This is the first step in making every cookies. It is so important. Now this mixture is almost ready. Now we can start adding other ingredients into this mixture. First let me add 1 cup of sattu maavu, that is a sprouted health mix. It has so many multigrains and it is very healthy. 1/8 cup of badam powder and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Sift everything together well. This helps in evenly mixing the powders. Now mix it well. And then we will be adding milk to bind everything together. Here I have used 1/4 cup of milk, but you can reduce even a teaspoon of milk if you find the batter will become very sticky. So after adding the milk, use your hands and bring all the ingredients together. Do not knead it like we do it for chapati dough. We should not knead it well. We should just bring all the ingredients together. Now the cookie dough is almost ready. If the dough is stiff, then you can proceed with making cookies. But if it is sticky, you can just cover it with a cling wrap and refrigerate it for half an hour, and so that the cookie dough will become stiff, and then you can start using it. So I am wrapping it in a cling wrap and I am going to refrigerate it for half an hour. So after half an hour we will check how the dough looks. So now after half an hour I am going to remove this cling wrap, and you can see the difference in the texture of the dough. It is stiff. Now we can start making cookies. Take a small portion of balls from the cookie dough and make small balls and slightly flatten it. You can do it in any shapes of your choice. I am just going to use a basic shape. Meanwhile, line a baking tray with a butter paper, or you can also grease it with butter, and arrange these balls on the baking tray. So do the same with the remaining dough, and then place one badam or almond on the top of each ball. It looks great once the cookies gets baked. So already I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Now we can start baking the dough cookies. So I'm going to bake it at 140 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. But the temperature and the timing might vary from oven to oven. It depends on how easily your oven get heated up. So do check for that. Now the cookies are ready. So do try these easy cookies at home, and it is very healthy. And please give me your feedback. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. See you all in another video.